Well, hello and welcome back to the channel. We're still at the Willingcott Caravan and Motorhome Club site in North Devon. It's near Woolacombe. It's about 2 miles by road into Woolacombe, but we've decided not to do that. We've decided to walk, and we have heard that there is a footpath that takes you along the back of the site through that lovely little gate you just saw, and across the main road and down through some fields down to the beach. So our mission is to find the beach.
It'll be a quick walk. You won't very old. Is that a nice bit of it?
Remember having a cat? Don't get me bag in. He's probably going to put me bag full. No. And he was filming.
Come on then. Come on, Sophie. Up you come. Come on, you can do it. Well done. There you are.
We're just wondering how we're going to get across this little stream here. Sue's gone investigating this time. She's gone ahead with one dog. Oh, Sue's got Crocs on. You're bound to get wet with Crocs. Your turn, Joe.
What are you going to do? You want to let him come through?
Wait a minute, let me get it through and I'll get it. This is an adventure.
No.
Come on, Joe. What angle are you going to take then?
This way, let him go, Joe. Let him go.
Don't let his lead go in that mud. Oh no.
Come on, Harley. Come on. Come on, Harley. Harley, come on, Bobby. He's having a drink. And Joe's turn. Come on, Joe.
Come on, Joe.
My lady yard. My knees were long.
Oh my goodness me.
You didn't have too long.
Easy. Well, we got through that little chicane and we're now walking down the hill and we can see the sea. So we know we're getting close to Woolacombe Sea, But this has turned into quite an interesting hike. We just made a note that we've probably only got about 4 hours of natural daylight left today, and we're not even halfway there yet.
Oh, not another one. We got another one, have we?
Yeah. I've enjoyed it. We've had some laughs, haven't we?
Do you think we'll find a beach?
Yes, we're
Down
bound
there.
to.
About another 2 miles?
We can see it down there.
Let's keep going.
I don't know. It might be. Look at the view.
Beautiful views up here. Yeah, this is North Devon. Proper North Devon, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. And there's the sea, just at the end of this path. I'm sure it's another mile or more away. Still heading down the path.
We'll swim down here. Huh? Oh,
Go on. I would give you a hand, but try the other leg.
I'm wrong, I can't.
Yeah, that's it. You made it. Oh. Well, just so you know, this is actually a proper public right-of-way footpath.
Actually really hard.
And that's hard work, but we're having such a laugh. The girls have gone a bit ahead now because we got stuck on that rickety old gate, but then
Fell in some water.
Catch them up. Ugh. Now we're going across a golf course.
Gentlemen only, ladies forbidden. Golf.
Ah, there we are, you see. And we're still following the to the beach signs. Drinky time.
Goodness me.
Drinky time.
Oh, Sophie's desperate. Yeah.
Right,
Sophie's turn.
One minute, let me just get the lid out of the way.
Got any more, Holly? Yeah. Yeah, I'll still want some of this. I'm so thirsty.
Another style,
Come on, let me come.
another challenge.
Did you like to do before? Right.
Got him?
Yeah, got him. I got him.
I got
But he's clean off with his feet. Look, the scale says big money. You're not filming that, are you?
No.
How old are you?
That's what I
Huh? Ooh.
Sorry.
Well, we found the main road into Woolacombe and some pretty holiday homes along here. Very busy road, but look at this lovely church. Sophie's unhappy because she can't go in the sea. Sophie likes to drink the sea, and that makes her poorly.